Hello and welcome to Healthify My Cuisine, and my name is Seema. I share with you all my knowledge in the field of food, agriculture and nutrition. Today I am bringing you an amazing Ayurvedic treatment for diabetes. You can see these flowers. I will tell you in detail about these flowers and why I have grown these flowers. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch other recipes also. So without wasting much time, let me tell you the health benefits of these flowers and why I have grown these flowers here. So these flowers, as you can see, everyone in India recognizes these flowers as medicinal plants. These are Sadabahar flowers or the Periwinkle flowers. You can see they come in different varieties, different colors, white, pink, and here you can see I have one white variety also, pink one also, and dark pink also. How to take these flowers and what are the health benefits of these flowers, I will tell you in this video. Please stay tuned and watch the video till the end for getting more information about these wonderful magical flowers. If you love gardening and you wonder which flowers to include in your garden, you should always include these flowers because they not only add to the aesthetic beauty of your garden, but they help you in improving your blood sugar levels. They keep your blood sugar levels in control. Not only this, they help in your glowing skin. They remain evergreen throughout the year, and they flower throughout the year, and they require very less maintenance. These are good for your skin, good for your hair, good for your premature graying of hair. Not only this, this will also help you if you have been stung by a bee or a wasp. Just take the leaves and extract the juice and apply it on the area where the bee has stung you, and you will see the pain and that swelling will subside in a few minutes. Simply pluck some leaves early in the morning and chew them before brushing your teeth. That is the thing. And about the taste, I will tell you that it undoubtedly tastes bitter, but not as bitter as neem leaves. But I promise you that this makes your life sweeter, and you will stay evergreen and ever smiling without any blemishes, without any pimples on your skin. You will get a wonderful glowing skin with this, and you will also find some remission in your diabetes, and you will definitely find improvement in your sugar levels if used continuously for about a month or two and go for your test. You will see a change in your blood sugar reports. So do plant these in your balconies. If you don't have a garden, they take very less space. Do plant these flowers in your gardens, in your balconies, on your windowsills, and they grow beautifully throughout the year, and they make you look beautiful, and as their name suggests that they make you stay Sadabahar, evergreen forever. Stay tuned till I bring you another recipe for happiness, for wellness. And if you get benefited with any of my recipes, please do not forget to share with your friends and family so that they too get benefited. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to leave a comment, and do not forget to watch my Karela recipe, Barwa Karela recipe, and the right way of making the Karelas. I will give the link in the description box, and you will see what mistakes we are doing while most of us I won't see that the one who is watching is doing the mistake. Most of us do a lot of mistakes while making the Karelas. Do find it out what mistake we do while making the Karela. My main objective is to reach out to the homemakers who cook food for the family and they want their health and wellness in their family. Please do subscribe, and I am one among you, and when I can change, you can also make a change.